Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. We are going to discuss a case law by Madras High Court on the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Act, HR&CE Act. Justice Srimati of Madurai Bench on 30th November 2023. In the case of, I will read the case law because it happened in Tiruchendur. Sri Subramanayaswamy, case name I am reiterating. Sri Subramanayaswamy, thirukovil, sudhanthirai, Pari Alana, sthalatharkar, Sabha. This is in Tiruchendur. Tiruchendur is just by the side of Bengal, near Kanyakumari. Versus the Commissioner, Hindu Religion and Religious and Charitable Endowments in WP MD number 22347 by 2023. The Honorable High Court Justice Srimati held that the temples are abodes of the deities. They are the residence of the deities. They are not training centers. The temples, you can't make them as the training centers. Therefore, she has given a restraint order to the Madras state or Tamil Nadu state from conducting knowledge training under temple's chief priests. Previously also such orders were given, but once again, when the Tamil Nadu government has changed and Stalin has come to power as the chief minister, of course, there are a lot of changes, and actually they wanted to appoint other community people also as archakars, and they have given them training, but practical training they want to give in the temples. This is what is not required and what is not allowed by Honorable High Court of Tamil Nadu. Right? The part of the training is the people who have conducted the so-called temporary training in archakar training schools, who have completed the training in archakar training schools, they will actually undergo the practical training by the chief priests of the temples. In this connection, Honorable Justice Srimati, S. Srimati, she remarked that even the private Agama training centers, like she has given the names of the private centers like Pallayarpatti, Thiruparakundram, they will not conduct any training inside the temple, inside the sanctum sanctorum, inside the abode of God. Deity. Daily there will be so many rituals. So that place should not be made a training center. Right? The prescribed training inside the temple under the senior archaka or chief priest is against to Agama Shastra. It is against to Agama Shastra. The temples are abodes of the deities and devotees visit the temples to worship their deities. So temples cannot be treated as training centers or laboratories. Another point here. So you cannot treat the temples as training centers or laboratories. Right. So we'll go to the genesis of the problem. The Tourism, Culture and Religious Endowment Department, Tamil Nadu, Tourism, Culture and Endowments Department, they passed a GO on 27th July 2023. The GO stipulates that the priests or the candidates who have completed certificate courses from the so-called archakars training schools run by the temples under the control of the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Department, they will be sent for 1 year training under the senior archakars or gurus. Under the senior archakars or gurus to gain practical knowledge in the Agama Shastras. So this is the GO dated 27th July 2023. These trainees, they will be given a stipend of 8,000 per month during the period of the training. So here the main point is the Subramanayaswamy, Sthala, Gurukul, they are the petitioners who are the president and secretary of that so-called thirukovil Sudhanthirai Pari Alana Sabha. They challenged the GO in the present petition, alleging that the GO was illegal and contemptuous since it did not prescribe the agamas, since it did not prescribe the rituals of the temples, which was mandatory as per the orders of the High Court. So please remember, already the people were trained for 6 to 14 years, Agama Shastras. It's not that easy to pass the examinations. The training will be for about, the Shastra education will be for 6 to 14 years to be trained in Agamas, Vedas, Upanishads and other necessary rituals. And under the guide of, once again, training the so-called basic knowledge, the state could not dispense with the essential qualification. So therefore, training should not be given inside the temples under the chief archakars. So this is a contentious judgment, but anyway, it may come in other states also. Therefore, please read the judgment, and definitely you may have to cite it in one of your cases if somebody files a complaint. Thank you.